y'all. Woo! Today I am having IHOP. Just kind of had that craving thing going on today. So I got me a T-bone steak and eggs. And I told Susan a little while ago, if that steak is rare, I'm the Queen of England. So, you know, she said,
hi, Queenie.
hi, Queenie. But yeah, it is what it is. And obviously I got the most humongous pile of hash browns ever, because I ordered biscuits and gravy, and it came with a couple of eggs. Well, it came with eggs, but I got no gravy. So I got biscuits, but no gravy. Thanks, IHOP. Anyway, I got the little sausages and some bacon. In total, I got 5 eggs. I got the tres leches pancakes, which it's all kind of melty. So it had the little caramel cream type stuff, and the dulce de leche, and the whipped cream, which is just goo on top. And I also got the Swedish pancake, not Swedish pancakes, Swedish crepes, I'm sorry. And that comes with the lingonberry sauce and the lingonberry butter. So that's all of that mess on there. But it is what it is, and it looks like it's going to be tasty. So I'm about to dig in. Alright, first things first, I'm going to try to cut this steak with this little plastic knife. Y'all wish me luck. Alright, let me flip it around here. Yeah, I'm very, very, very disappointed about not getting gravy. They gave me 3 tubs of ranch dressing for whatever reason. And that's their idea of rare. It's slightly pink. Good thing I didn't order it well done. Okay. It tastes pretty good though. Alright. Get into my eggs. I haven't had steak and eggs in a minute. Well, come on, get on my fork. I'm not left-handed. How good. I have to keep flipping it around to cut my steak. Let me get this bone out of here. Come on. So I finished season 1 of Deadwood today. Yep, pretty good show. Highly, highly recommend if you like any kind of Western type shows. And me and Susan, we finished together season 4 of Love Island. And if you like dating and romance style reality television, that's a good one. That's really a good one. We watched some of the Love Island Australia. That was really good. And this that we've been watching now is the Love Island UK. Now I can't find a service. Oh, that's annoying. That's an annoying sound right there. Oh, she got a vein. Get out of there. Alright. But I haven't been able to find like Love Island USA, whatever, anywhere to watch on streaming. I'm sure I would have to like purchase it by the episode or something on Amazon maybe. You know, and I'm not ready to do that. So, oh, one more thing I need to do to prepare here. Just a little bit. get a little bit of ketchup on this mountain of hash browns. Hash brown mountain. I got 2 more of these. I'll save a couple. Open my Diet Coke. I got probably 10,000 calories here. Y'all count them up for me if you want to. And a Diet Coke. Because y'all know I don't need those extra calories. Okay. Alright, I'm going to get a little primal here. Because I got to clean the meat off the bone. Okay. For a IHOP steak being rare, that's not bad. It don't look bloody like I normally like it, but it's still tender and really tastes good. Oh, that's yummy. I need to reach for a napkin. Okay. Get some of these hash browns. I ordered 4 of the sausages as my side order. Well, just as an extra side order. And 2 came with the biscuits and no gravy. Let me taste their bacon. Nice. Nice and crisp. It's a little more naan to do. Oh yeah. I can't even get in there with my teeth. Oh, okay. That's good. There's a kid over there, Bones. Man, I hope y'all are doing good. I'm doing pretty fair, I have to say. Just my typical aches and pains, and y'all know how it is. When you weigh over 400 pounds, you're gonna be sore. And my hip, and it's potentially both a weight thing and just wear and tear over the years. And y'all know skinny people get bad hips, so that's not just a fat people thing. But so my hip is giving me issues. And it's just my life at this point. And I deal with that, you know. Other than that, mental health is pretty good lately. Oh, I love eggs. Eggs are so yummy. Now, I've been fortunate that, get something on me. I feel like I got something on me. I'll find it later if I did. But I've been fortunate this year. The seasonal depression has kind of passed me by a little bit. I mean, I've got my typical depression, that dysthymia or whatever. And so it's like a low-level depression all the time. But it's no worse now than ever, so I can't go blaming the seasons on it. I'm gonna relocate some of my hash browns over here. But yeah, so I've been watching Deadwood. I haven't even gotten back to the Queen's Gambit yet. I mean, that's a good show, but so I've just been all in with Deadwood. That Seth Bullock, he's a man. Lord have mercy. And I have to thank the people on the show The Good Place for cueing me in. Timothy Oliphant, that plays Bullock. He's a good actor. He does really good in that role. And he's very easy on the eyes. I have no gravy, but maybe I can sop up some of my egg yolk. And with that, that would have been so good slathered in country gravy. Dang it. I will be complaining about that a little bit. I'm not blaming the driver. It's IHOP. It's just they had so much food, you know. And it's for all three of us. And then my order is just humongous, so. They're gonna forget something. But maybe I can get a little credit for next time. We shall see. I've been wanting to do a breakfast mukbang. I was thinking I might do brunch and see what all they had for their lunch offerings and whatnot. And I wasn't really interested or impressed by anything I saw on their lunch menu. So I just opted for more breakfast. And I'm okay with that. That steak's okay. It's okay. I mean, it's an IHOP steak, so I'm not expecting, You know, I'm not expecting fireworks there. But it's tasty. And tender. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. These sausages are yummy. Mm. Mm. Now, you know, I'm not one to go talk about public, you know, events or media other than what I'm watching on the TV. There's, you know, there's not really anything that I'm paying attention to heavily at the moment. Mm. You know, I stay away from politics if I can. I stay away from religion. You know, and people kind of give me crap about, you know, personality and, you know, not really having anything to talk about. And it's like, you know, when I'm eating, it's like I'm pretty focused on my food. It just is what it is. As far as things going on in my personal life, you know, I'm still quarantined up in here. I haven't been, you know, well, I take that back. I was about to say I hadn't been out since last February, or since this February. But I have. Just this week, or this past weekend, or whatever. It's Wednesday now, last Saturday. Went to the Glittering Light show out at the Speedway. And that's always fun. That's fun. You get to go listen to Christmas music and look at all the Christmas lights they put up in your car. I had a little popcorn and some hot cocoa and good conversation for the 3 hours that we were in line waiting to get in. Ooh, but it was worth it. It was worth it. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, excuse me. And I did a video for you guys. And I should put that up closer to Christmas. It's just right now the beginning of December. I think December 2nd is what it is. And I was really disappointed. I was thinking I was going to do some McDonald's today. And the McDonald's app was showing that there was no McRibs available where I wanted to order. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to save that for the weekend. And not mess around with delivery. Because the only reason I'm going to do McDonald's right now is to get my hands on the McRib. More steak. Get some more egg. Another bite of steak. I'm gonna consider relocating these eggs. Yeah. But yeah, so I actually left the house. Yeah, I mean, no, you know, it was all socially distanced. Everybody was in their cars. And the people handling the popcorn and cocoa and all that, they had gloves and masks and everything, so it was all very clean and so that's good. That was good. It was nice to get out of the house a little bit. Like I said, it had been a while. I got one more ketchup. It had been a while, y'all. And I'm looking, and the place that I really want to go is, y'all know I went to that goth thing, Scarlet excuse me, at the Artifice Club. And they've been doing the goth night and everything. Oh, excuse me. But they're like, they were doing it like half capacity and everybody had to be masked and all that stuff. Well, the staff is masked, but I don't think the patrons had to be masked at the time that they were doing it again. And now they're down to like quarter capacity. And I think everybody has to be masked. And I'm like, no, I'll wait. I can wait. Hope against hope. I'm hoping for a vaccine to come, so I'll feel a lot safer going out and socializing with people if I could get vaccinated. And I know a lot of people are against that sort of thing and, you know, whatever floats your boat, but I'm down with it. I am down with it. Because I sure don't want that virus thing. I do not want. I'll order my eggs over medium because, you know, they still have, you know, good runny yolk. But there's a lot less chance to have any runny whites. I don't like runny whites at all. And when you get over easy, there's a chance there's going to be some runny white. Another thing on the list of things I do not like. It's a very short list. Oh man. Okay. I have to say it. Shout out to Trisha Paytas and Ethan Klein. They do that Frenemies podcast. And today, it was the cutest, funniest thing. Instead of just being in the studio doing the podcast, and I didn't get to watch the whole video, I just watched a portion of it. But they went out and they did goat yoga. What? I had heard of goat yoga before, but I had never actually seen it. And it was the cutest thing. I mean, the goats, they climb on stuff anyway, but these goats, they're like trained to like climb all over you while you're in the yoga positions and stuff. And it's kind of like a massage, basically. Their little hooves. And they have little hoof shoes on. Oh, so cute. I was like, oh man, that is adorable. You know, and I'm too big and my knees are too bad to get down on the ground and do positions and stuff like that. But it was fun to watch. It was really fun to watch. I was like, I'll just go feed the goats. And they don't have to climb on me. I'll be okay if I never have a goat climb on me like that. But I'd really like to see them out and about doing more stuff like that. That was really fun. Excuse me. Oh. Okay, I got a little steak left. like bust my eggs open on top of some hash browns. Kind of separate a little bit. I got my hash browns nice and crisp. Y'all might hate me for this. I'm putting some ketchup on my eggs. Okay. Quit banging around there. Tell that's one of the crisp ones. And I am still upset about not getting gravy from my biscuits. I just wanted some gravy. Dang it. And the rest of my steak. But I'm very happy with the rest of my choices. Little fatty pork sausages. Alright, I'm going to trade places here. I'm not done eating that yet. Granted, I don't think I'm going to eat all of everything, but I'm going to put a dent in that. I'm pretty sure I'll have some hash browns left over because I ordered 2 side orders of hash browns, not thinking that my 2 dinners would have hash browns also. Like, a lot of hash browns. Oh man. I think me and Susan are going to start Rick and Morty tonight. I've watched all the way through seasons 1 through 3 twice. I believe Susan's watched through at least once, but I kind of missed stuff, so she wants to watch it again too. But I'm excited about that. I love me some Rick and Morty. Oh, excuse me. What else? I know there's probably a half a dozen more shows I'd like to watch right now, but I've been actually kind of busy otherwise. And I also just purchased the Shadowlands expansion pack on World of Warcraft. But I realized that I wasn't to the point where I could actually start Shadowlands yet on my main. So I'm still messing around with Battle of Azeroth content. Which I'm okay with that. Because obviously I didn't do it. Get a little water. Oh, it's full. Heavy. Coldest water bottle, you guys. It's still here. Link in the description if you want one. Mom. Oh, yes. Let me get a little more bacon. I thought I was supposed to have 4 slices. Oh, there's the other one. I had 4 slices of bacon and 6 sausages. I have all them hash browns for breakfast in the morning. I might load them up with some cheese and bacon, the leftover bacon and sour cream. With some loaded hash browns for breakfast in the morning. That sounds good to me. All right. Let's get a taste of these Swedish crepes. I wonder if they got filling in them. I guess we'll see. It don't look like it. I guess it's just the lingonberry stuff that makes it Swedish. But they're cute little crepes. First time I ever had IHOP, I ordered these. And the lingonberries, they're very tart and sweet. But I like stuff that's tart, even sour. Oh, that's good. Ooh. Glad I ordered that. That is delish. Delicious. Oh. Very buttery. Ooh. Yep, I'm gonna be finishing this today. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. And I'm looking at those tres leches pancakes, and they are just covered in that creamy sauce and dulce de leche. So I know those are going to be a winner as well. Oh man. Oh, crepes. I'm happy. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Those look good. All right. Let's just dig in. Okay. Nice and fluffy. Oh, excuse me. Well, I have to say, I feel like IHOP knows what it's doing when it comes to pancakes. Those are really fluffy. All right, pause. Okay. All right. Yeah, dog had to take a potty break, so I'm waiting for him. Yeah. Ooh, these pancakes are good. Nice and fluffy and creamy. Oh man, and that dulce de leche sauce is yum. It's so rich. Ooh. Oh. Oh, so good. Man, but I am obviously getting full. Excuse me. I probably ate 2 servings of the hash browns. I'm about to eat a 3rd sausage. I ate 1 piece of bacon and about 5 eggs. Half a biscuit and a steak. Nearly half of my Swedish crepes with the lingonberries. Lingonberry, I think it kind of reminds me a little bit of cranberry, but sweeter, I guess. It's really yummy though. It's good stuff. And these pancakes, the tres leches pancakes are really good. Mexican tres leches. Oh man. I get one more little bite of this and then I'm gonna call it quits. Cause I feel like I could bust right now. Oh man. Ooh-wee. But yeah, that goat yoga looked pretty fun. I have to give it to him. Them little goats was just climbing all over. And Trisha wore a skirt. And her booty was just hanging out the whole time. Oh man, that was adorable. My Lord. Oh man. But anyway. Yeah, that's something I would probably do if I was smaller and didn't have horrible joints. Yeah, my joints would not allow me. I could probably get away with some yoga moves, but not on my knees. You know, I would have to like, well, there's yoga made for elderly people and disabled people, and obviously obese people fit into the disabled category most of the time. Well, not most of the time. It depends on how big, I guess. But, bad joints. Bad joints. So that would be a no for me. But I definitely love goats. Okay. I'm delirious and I'm rambling now. I'm over here food drunk. Oh, that was a decent breakfast. Pick at the bacon and eat some more bacon. I gotta save some bacon though. I'm gonna save a couple pieces to go in my hash browns tomorrow. But anyway, like I said, I hope you guys are doing good and enjoying your week. Oh, weekend, because this might go up on the weekend. But I want to thank you for joining me. I love you very much. And I will see you next time. Bye now.